Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated Sudarshan Setu, the country's longest cable-stayed bridge of 2.32 kilometers on the Arabian Sea connecting by Dwarka Island to mainland Oka in Gujarat. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while addressing the nation in his Mann Ki Baat program on Akashwani, has urged first-time voters to exercise their franchise in record numbers in upcoming Lok Sabha elections. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, while speaking at the Quad Think Tank Forum in New Delhi, said Quad has emerged from global necessities faltered for some time due to a complex city of reason and was then reincarnated with new governments and different circumstances. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh, while addressing the Defence Summit in New Delhi, said that India will achieve the target of 50,000 crore rupees export in the defence sector by 2028-29. In the Women's Premier League 2024, the Royal Challengers Bangalore defeated Up Warrior in a close match.